gonna get a close up on it. Run, Simba, run! Run!
You almost hit the truck.
Truck saved him last time.
Yeah. Damn.
Damn, this how far the truck.
What you think? What you think? Bad suspension?
Hey. Mustang fucked up.
It is.
It gotta be. He hit straight on the bar.
He trying to help. Let me catch him in action.
They know how to splat, didn't he?
It's looking bad. Oh yeah, his car hulled out. Nah, but it's hulled out. I don't think he want it no more. I think it might be. It's pretty close to it if it ain't. It's close. Yeah, it's total. Cause once you hit that quarter pound, it's over with. Yeah.
You can say this.
Oh, okay. So this goes.
I don't even
This up too.
You good?
Nah, bro.
You alright.
I know you can replace the car, but goddamn, bro, this motherfucker.
That shit, I was finna buy the bitch a while ago, wasn't it, man? I'm finna buy this car a while ago. If he'd have sold it, bitch, I'd been on, I'd have had it a while ago. Just a minute ago, 4 minutes ago.
For real? Excuse me.
You got what's called
I just try to avoid that motherfucker, bro.
That wasn't me, man. I've been throwing up.
Tell him to bring the truck in the trailer.
Yeah.
bring the shit, bro.
I did my. Fred's too far away, bro. I can't have my brother come fast enough.
thing out, man. I see regulars, I still smell gas. What the inside look like? It looks funny looking in there. Let me see. Let me stick my camera in there.
He raced the Monte Carlo.
Yeah, that's ugly looking.
Like I'm saying, like the way it looks like his brother got something.
Damn, he ain't had no windshield. Oh, damn. That knocked the windshield out this one. Golly. The whole windshield and came out. Ooh. It is scared, man. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.